Wow, look around at this awesome park. You like going to the park? I really do. You know what would be cool? Is if we learned what kind of mighty machines and construction vehicles build the park. And we could build our own park together. You want to? Awesome! Let's do it! Construction vehicles and trucks. That's what it takes to make a park. Are we going to build a house or a playground? We're going to build a playground. Let's do that. Level 1. Wow, what's this? It looks like an excavator with a crane. A claw. That there would be the boom arm. Boom arm goes up and down, up and down. The grabber claw is on the end of it. Engine and cab, put that on right here. Tracks, where do they go? They're on the bottom. That's what rolls the excavator back and forth. The cylinder and the boom cylinder, which lifts the crane, excavator's crane stuff. Let's go. Oh, we need to put gas in the gas tank. So we're gonna put the gas in there and we go over to the pump. Now we pump it. Down and pump the gas. Almost to full. Are we there? A little more, one more pump. Yay, we got it. Whoa, we got out of the way. What's this? Oh, this is where we're gonna build the park. We gotta demolition all of this stuff. First, we're gonna tear the house down. Wow, this is fun. Now we're going to tear down those trees. Yeah. And let's tear down these brick walls. How about that? That one over there. Got it. Whoa, let me get out of the way. Are you on the tracks? Excavator.
Then on an excavator. See you later. Then on an excavator, having fun. Then on an excavator. See you later. Then on an excavator, having fun. Then on an excavator. See you later. Then on an excavator, having fun. Then on an excavator. See you later. Then on an excavator, having fun. We're having fun. Then on an excavator. See you later. Then on an excavator, having fun. Then on an excavator. See you later. Then on an excavator, having fun. We're having fun.
Are you on the tracks? Wow, after all that work, it's dirty. We need to wash the excavator. We're gonna spray it with soap. Great job. Now we're gonna scrub it back and forth. Ready? Go. Scrub it. Now we rinse. Great job. Whoa, get away. Whoa, what is this? This looks like a garbage truck. What are the parts of the garbage truck? This first one we're going to pick up is called the chassis. That's where the driver sits. Next is the compression body, which is where all the trash goes into. Then there's the lifting system. This is what lifts the kit up, and down, up, and down. And then, after the lifting kit, we can put on, which one of these things over here do we want to put on? A tire. Yeah, you gotta have tires, right? 1, 2, 3. On this side. And last but not least, we gotta have the flatbed. Whoa! All right, once again, we gotta pump the gas into the gas tank. And we push the pump. Almost on full. Keep going. Great job. The other way. Now we have to pick up all this garbage and clear the area to make the playground. First we'll drop the bucket. We'll put it right here and come back later for it. Now we'll pick up the house. Throw it in the trash. And we'll throw these trees back in there. One tree. Oh, we'll grab this brick over here. This is gonna be heavy. Another tree. Pick up the garbage can. Get rid of that. Bye-bye. And the brick. Now we call the truck back in. It's loaded. Come over and get it. Now the lift cylinder is going to pick up the truck bed, the trash, carry it away. What's that? What? Vulcan. What's this? Garbage truck.
Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Everybody loves the garbage truck.
Here it goes. Gonna pick up the garbage.
Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Everybody loves a garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Everybody loves a garbage truck.
No, you cannot go in the road. Stay over here. Because.
Garbage
Look, here it
truck,
comes.
garbage truck.
Stand back,
Garbage
good. Stay up
garbage
there.
truck. Garbage
Stay
truck,
right there.
garbage truck,
Look, watch him.
garbage truck. Garbage truck,
Stay right there,
garbage
don't
truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Everybody loves a garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Everybody loves garbage truck.
Stay. Okay, stay there.
Garbage truck. Garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Everybody loves a garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Everybody loves a garbage truck.
To the dump. After we're away from the dump, we've got to clean our truck. Of course, we wash it with soap. Then we scrub it down, clean, 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 clean. Remember, safety first and safety last. Makes for a fun day. Now we rinse it. Other way. All right, what's next? Ooh, a bulldozer. First, we're gonna put on the engine. And then we're gonna take the loader bucket and put that on. Wow, this is fun building vehicles. Now we're gonna put the engine and the cab on. And the tires. Here are the lift arms. Another tire. Out of the way. Great job. Once again, it's empty. We have to fill up the tank with gas. So we take the gas and we pump it up. Almost full. Yeah, it's full. Let's go. Now we move. Whoa! Watch out! That's called dozing. Hey guys, I see a dozer. Let's go check it out. Do you have a dozer?
Yes.
Can you turn it on and show us how it works?
Yes.
Right there, on this bottom part, is the traction pad. That's what grabs the dirt and helps the bulldozer move.
Jonathan had a dozer, D-O-Z-E-R, and on that dozer had a track, T-R-A-C-K.
Whoa, be careful, Jonathan.
Jonathan had a dozer, D-O-Z-E-R.
And up in the front is the blade.
Jonathan had a dozer, D-O-Z-E-R, and on that dozer had a blade, B-L-A-D-E, with a push push here and a push push there, here a push, there a push, everywhere a push push. Jonathan had a dozer, D-O-Z-E-R.
Up here is the cab. That's where the driver sits.
Jonathan had a dozer, D-O-Z-E-R, and on that dozer had a cab, C-A-B, with a beep beep here and a beep beep there, here a beep, there a beep, everywhere a beep beep. Jonathan had a dozer, D-O-Z-E-R.
Right there is this part is called the lift cylinder. It helps the
Jonathan had a dozer, D-O-Z-E-R. Dozers have lift cylinders. This is where they are. With a lift here and lift there. Here a lift, there a lift, everywhere a lift. Jonathan had a dozer, D-O-Z-E-R. Thanks very much for watching Jonathan's Playhouse. He has fun making videos, all are done with love, with some learning here and some fun there. Here we learn, there is fun, everywhere is fun. Thanks for watching Jonathan's Playhouse. Like and share.
Now we have to clean it. Spray it with soap. Staying clean is very important. Scrub it down. And rinse it off. Get out of the way. Whoa! Great job, kids. You guys are doing so good. Oh, cool. Now we're going with a bucket excavator. First, let's put on the engine and cab. Next, we'll put on the boom. Next, we'll put on the cylinder, a lift cylinder. That's the lift cylinder attaches to the bucket. And there's another lift cylinder that attaches to the boom. The bucket. Front wheel, the back wheel, and the other boom. Let's go. Whoa! Oh, looks like our gas is empty again. We gotta pump the gas. Ready? Let's go. Push the pump. Good job, you're getting the hang of this. And we got it. Oh, let's go. All right, so here we are. Now we're gonna dig a big hole because we need to make a sidewalk for the park. And we're gonna dig a big hole to give ourselves a place to pour some concrete to make a sidewalk. Oh, in comes the dump truck. Cool. Now we're gonna dump all that sand. Wow, did you know concrete is made with sand and mortar and water? Yeah.
Everybody loves a backhoe.
Backhoes are awesome. Backhoes are cool. Backhoes move around and dig up dirt too.
Backhoe, backhoe, backhoe. Backhoe, backhoe, backhoe. Backhoe, backhoe, backhoe. Everybody loves a backhoe. Yay!
Backhoe, backhoe.
Well, it's time to wash the backhoe now. First we're gonna spray it down with lots of soap. Then we're gonna scrub it. Yeah, you know how to do this now. You're getting really good at staying clean. It's kind of like giving ourselves a bath, only it's a big construction vehicle. We're giving it a bath or a shower. Whoa. Okay, let's go finish this sidewalk. We're going to use a dump truck. First we're going to put on the bed, and then the tires. 1, 2, 3 on this side, and there's 3 on the other side. 3 plus 3 is 6. And we put the cabin engine on, and the support beam. Let's go. And of course, once again, my wife left it on empty, so we're gonna fill it up with gas. Take the gas nozzle, put it there, and then pump the gas. Keep going, almost there. Gotta get that E to the S. Great job. Wow, look at all that dump truck is going to use the hydraulic lift to dump all that concrete. Look at that. And after that sits for a while, that's going to get really hard. Then we're going to come over here and dump rock on it. We mix together the mortar and the brick and the rock, and it gets really hard. It makes concrete. clean that truck. Spray it down, spray it down. Go ahead and spray it down. Great job. Scrub it. Rinse. Beautiful. Great job. Go. Now, whoa, this is a cool machine. First, we're going to lay down the engine and cab and the gas tank. Now, what are these round things? Oh, those are sweeper rollers. This must be a sweeping machine. Yay! It's a road sweeper that cleans things out and cleans them up. Now we put on the tires. Let's go. Yep, it's on empty again. Fill it up. Go. Pump the gas.
You're getting really good at this, kids. Putting together construction vehicles. Putting in the gas.
Now let's go. Sweep that concrete and level it out. Whoa. Here it comes. Now we're going to level it all out and make a beautiful sidewalk. Perfect. Great job.
Street sweeper, the street sweeper, street sweeper, the street sweeper, street sweeper, the street sweeper. Everybody loves the street sweeper. Street sweeper, the street sweeper, street sweeper, the street sweeper, street sweeper, the street sweeper. Everybody loves the street sweeper. Street sweepers are awesome. Street sweepers are cool. Street sweepers will sweep up the ground where you drive them to. Street sweeper, street sweeper, street sweeper, street sweeper, street sweeper, street sweeper. Everybody loves sweep, sweep. Street sweeper, street sweeper, street sweeper, street sweeper, street sweeper, street sweeper. Everybody loves street sweeper.
Awesome. What's this? They're bringing in sod. Sod are rolls of grass. We're going to lay down all the grass for the park. Make it nice and green. 1 roll of sod. 2 rolls of sod. 3 rolls of sod. Yay!
Checkpoint!
Let's roll them out, guys and girls. Whoa. That's awesome! Oh, wow! Look at this. They're bringing in landscaping to make it look pretty. All right, let's put up the hedges. Roll it out. Now the shrubbery. Wow, look at the beautiful trees. This is coming together, kids. Now, of course, we gotta clean it. Soap. Then what? Scrub. Yup. And then rinse. Very good. Soap, scrub, and rinse. Scrubby, scrubby, scrubby. Scrubby, scrubby, scrubby for you. Doop, 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 doop. Rinse. Oh, the pressure. Sparkling clean. Look at that. Whoa, a crane. Then we're gonna put on the telescoping section after the crane. Now we put on the engine and cab. Now let's put the base. It's called the base or the main boom. And the lift cylinder. Once again, we have to lift things up. Last but not least, we need something to ride on, man. How about the tracks? Up here? In here? No. Down here? Yeah, let's go. Once again, it's on E. Pump it up with gas. All the way to the F. And great job. Get out of the way. Now, what's the crane gonna do? Oh, it carries things. We're gonna carry the slide over there and drop it. Lower. Yay! Thanks, crane. Now what? It looks pretty dirty. I think we have to clean it. Wow, look at that. That must be the lid. That's gonna look so cool. The crane brings it in, drops it on top. Very cool. Thanks, crane. Now let's clean this thing, because safety first and safety last makes for a fun day. You wanna help me scrub it? We scrub the grass? Yeah, we'll do that too. Get the slide. Sparkling clean. Now we have to clean the crane. So first, then what, kids? Scrubbing, great job. And then what? Rinse. Yeah, you got this. So cool. Watch out of the way. Wow, you guys are doing great. We're almost done building the park. Level 8. I guess we're gonna put together the dump truck again. First we put the flatbed with the gas tank and the hydraulic cylinder, then the tire, then the bed, another tire, another tire, another tire, and the engine in the cab. Out of the way. More gas? Oh my gosh! Wonder what the price is per gallon these days. Put the gas tank here. Does it go there? No. Oh, it goes into the gas tank. Now we pump it. Pump it up. Pump. Now I'm here to pump you up. Woohoo! Let's go. Now what are we gonna put in, kids? How about? Oh, we're pouring sand. There must be another part of the park. Heave ho! Oh, timber! Now what's gonna bring in? Let's bring in a... What? A carousel? Wow, this is the best park ever! What? This is so cool, kids. What a great idea with all the horses and the carousel. Looks pretty dirty though. I think we should clean it. What do you think? Yep. Get this slide a little bit more. And the sidewalk. Now we'll get the carousel. Perfect. Now we're gonna clean the dump truck. Soap, scrub, rinse. Soap, scrub, rinse. Soap, scrub, rinse. Clean in the garbage dump truck. Out of the way! Oh no, wait. Oh, rinse. I forgot to rinse almost. Shh. Look at the pressure. Pressure. Shh. You got me under pressure. Whoa! and lift fork assembly goes onto this crane. Upper arm, master strap, and lift assembly. Now the platform, bed, and turntable. Does it go up here? No. Does it go inside there? No, it goes here. Now how about we put on a cylinder? A lift cylinder, very good. You're getting the hang of this. You're learning how to build construction machines. There's the track. Does the track go on top? No. It goes on bottom. Now a telescopic boom. It goes up and down, up and down. And of course, the bed in the cab. Great job. More gas, more gas, and more gas. Let's pump it up. Does gas go here? No. Pump it over here? No. Does it go up here? No. Here? No, no, no. There, in the tank, of course. Great job. Now we pump it. Keep on pumping it. We're gonna fill her up. Great job, out of the way! Ooh, wow, a climbing rock wall with, looks like you can go inside of it too. It's like a fort climbing rock wall. A climbing mountain fort. Cool! Oh, this is gonna be so much fun! This is so much fun, go in the park. Oh, a puzzle, let's put it together. First, let's put the sides on, okay? We'll put on left side over here, and the right side over here. Now we'll put in the center. And top right here. One more piece, where does it go, kids? Do you know? Right here? Okay, wow, you're right, thank you, great job. Now we have to clean the crane. Soap, scrub, rinse. You got this. Squeaky clean. Great job. We get out of the way. This is the last piece of the puzzle, and we're going to use this flatbed dump truck. First here, we're going to put on the cabin engine. Next, oh, a spare tire. That goes up here, in case one of the other tires get flat. Now we'll put on the back bed, now the middle bed with the gas and the hydraulic lift. Now we'll put on front tires, yellow, yay! The other two tires must be for the back. One here, does it go there? No. Does it go there? No. How about there? Good job, kids. You figured it out. Now let's go. More gas, more gas. Pump up the more gas. Does gas go there? Nope. Does it go there? Nope. Does it go inside the tire? No, where does the gas go? I forget. Does it go in the door? Oh, in the tank. Great job, kids. Thanks. Pump it up. Now we go to the pump. I'm here to pump you up. Ooh. Almost full. Out of the way. Ooh, what an awesome looking park. Here comes the dump truck. And where are we putting on now? We're gonna dump this dirt. 1, 2, 3, dump it! What do you want to put here, kids? How about we put a slide? Oh yeah, you can't have a park without a cool slide. This will be for the kids, for the toddlers like us. It's not too high, not too far, right here. But boy, it sure is dirty. We need to clean this park up. Safety first and safety last. Makes for a fun day. Always remember, wash your hands, wash your face, and stay clean. That's a nice clean slide. Great job, kids. Now we're gonna wash this truck. Soap, scrub, and rinse. And then, of course, move out of the way. Hey, kids, this has been so much fun building this park with you. Thanks. I hope we can do something like this again real soon. Bye. It's a Jonathan song, and he's singing along. He's happy all day, he loves to play Jonathan's way. It's a Jonathan day, it's a Jonathan